Welcome! We're diving into the 3 AI side hustles that are actually generating serious income in 2026. While most people are using AI to write emails, a small group is using it to create income streams that barely existed a few years ago. Some are making hundreds, others thousands every month by leveraging this new technology. The burning question is, which AI side hustles actually work and are sustainable in 2026? We're living through the biggest technology shift since the internet itself. The AI gold rush has begun. Businesses everywhere are rushing to adopt AI, but the vast majority don't know how to integrate it effectively. That lack of knowledge is creating a huge opportunity for everyday people willing to learn a few simple, high-leverage AI skills. Let's dive into our first high-value side hustle, AI content creation. Small businesses need endless content for social media, websites, and marketing campaigns. AI tools make this production scalable. Many freelancers are charging hundreds of dollars per project while spending only a fraction of the time, making this a highly profitable side gig with low startup costs. Next is a highly lucrative area, AI automation services. Businesses waste countless hours on repetitive tasks. If you can automate customer support, lead generation, or scheduling using AI tools, you become invaluable. Companies are willing to pay premium rates for this service because you are directly saving them time and, most importantly, money. Our third high-potential opportunity is building AI video channels. AI can assist with research, scripts, voiceovers, and editing, allowing creators to launch faceless channels quickly. These faceless channels in niches like finance, technology, and education generate revenue through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Before you jump in, here's what most influencers won't tell you about AI side hustles. AI isn't a money-printing machine. The people making real income aren't just using AI, they're solving real problems for their clients. AI is simply the tool. You still need to understand business needs, marketing, and strategy. Value is, and always will be, the product. The AI gold rush is still in its early stages, and the door is wide open for entry. The biggest winners won't be the people building AI, but the people using it to create massive value. Which AI side hustle would you try first? Let me know below and subscribe for more AI wealth trends.